We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there, so when we receive a 5-star review like this, we know we're succeeding in our goal. And we love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.